Two kinds of light. UVA burns you on top of the skin like melanomas. UVB burns you farther down, such as mastectomies and bone cancers. It takes both rays to penetrate the skin to cause a pigment tan. Using a moisturizer, both rays penetrate upper skin layers and touch a cell called a melanocyte. It divides from 1 into 2 and colors all the cells around it brown every time the light hits you. If we had fur, none of this would be going on. Just like when the fellows shave their sideburns and it's white underneath, hair is an excellent photoprotectant. Moisturized skin, both rays penetrate, touches the cell. It takes 2 days for them to divide from 1 into 2 and color the skin cells brown. It also puts out vitamin D into this layer of skin. This is your bloodstream, and it carries all the vitamin D to your cells and organs in your body. It helps with your immune system, bone growth and density, circulation, all your body functions. This is done by your own body and cannot be rejected, nor was it in your stomach first, like a pill. It takes 2 days for this cell-dividing pigment vitamin D production to finish safely. Healthy tanning requires that you skip a day in between exposures to let the cells finish dividing and safely do their job, to protect you from burning and to bring you good health from the vitamin D production. Vitamin D and brown pigment happens every time your skin is exposed to the UV rays. So it's not how many minutes you're doing in the machines, but the fact that the light hits you that will cause a pigment tan. This means that you will gain more pigment faster if you visit more often and not by tanning more minutes per session. This real pigment tan will last a month or more before fading, compared to bronzer tans that will only last a few days to a week or so. To regain a real pigment tan only requires a few exposures closer together to be back where you were before you stopped tanning. If you have dry skin, sweaty skin, bronzer dye on the skin, wax, dirt, etc., your results will not be as adequate had you had freshly bathed, moisturized skin before exposing yourself to the lamps with indoor tanning equipment.